Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 15, and today I'll show you how we can format your SD card. So, to get started, we're gonna navigate into our settings, and in here I'm gonna be looking either for storage or about device, the most logical place to keep storage. So in about device you will find storage. You can click on it and this will take you to the actual storage settings. Now first thing you will see is the phone storage, so the one that is built into the device. So we're going to swipe down and you will find SD card. Now for me it says Samsung SD card, as that's the brand of the card that I have. For you it might just say some SD card, whatever name, or simply SD card, whatever it is. It's just a list that is right here. Now from here you want to select format SD card. This will get you a quick message: format this SD card. Now the Samsung SD card, okay, this first message is irrelevant. It tells you that you need to do it. You don't, but the second one will matter, which is the formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So if you store anything on your card that you would like to maintain, make a copy of it, back it up to something. Once you've done so, you can then format it, and you can just do that by selecting format SD card. As you can see, this immediately jumps to doing so and should be right about done. Oh, there we go. So once it's done, it gives you a message as a notification. You can just click done right here and you can see it's already ready to go, formatted, ready for storing again. Now with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.